Good evening, children. My name is JHANI Basha. You was social teacher. Already last class I started 10th class syllabus paper 2 part 2 lesson number 22 citizens and the governments. Lesson number 22 citizens and the governments. This lesson, it has two parts. Part 1, right to information. In this introduction, last class I completed. One example also I gave. Gattu Sweta details about the Right to Information Act. Okay. Introduction completed. Part 1 introduction completed. And the next second subheading. What is information? What is information? Here I will give one example. This is 10th class textbook. It has so many social lessons, history, details, civics, economics. All the details we call social information. Okay, the social information available in the social textbook. Here, information point of view, textbook, this lesson has given 4 examples. First, Revenue Department, Health Department, and Education Department, and the latter Public Works Department. Here, information point of view, this lesson has given 4 examples. Here, first, Revenue Department. All this, now I am going to explain about Revenue, Health, Education Department. These details before RTI Act 2000, before situation. Right to Information Act 2005, before situation information, I am going to explain you. First, Revenue Department. Revenue Department were maintaining their records, okay, in the form of which were given by instruction, which were given by central and state governments instructions. How do they maintain the records? Everything central and state governments only gave some instructions to the government departments. Okay. At the time of the maintaining of their records, they should follow the instructions of central and state government instructions. Okay, Revenue Department details their transactions, their activities, selling of the lands, buying of the lands, selling of the stamps, collecting of the taxes, those everything They were maintaining one book, one record, one accounting book. This book had all the transactions, activities, selling, buying, purchase, return, everything it had. So all the information, all the data, all the details, we call the information. This is the revenue department information. Their purchase details, sales details. Okay, next, health department. Health department means government hospitals. They are maintaining the records which were given by the central and state governments. There's instructions they were following. Okay, health department, the employees details, doctor details, their salaries of doctors, and the wages of the workers, PF, ESI, the medicine purchase details, selling of the medicines, transfer of the material, transfer of the medicines from one hospital to another hospital. Okay. Next, maintaining expenses of X-ray department, scanning department, blood test department. All the things they were maintaining one book. That book we call the information. With the verification of that book, we'll get all the information of the health department. Okay. Next, education department. Education department, schools and colleges are the examples of the education departments. They were maintaining the records, their details, teachers details, teacher transfer, PF, ESA details, midday meals expenditure details, hostel maintenance expenses, okay, PT expenses, everything they were maintaining in a book. By seeing of this book, we can get the information about the school data, everything. So this book, by seeing this book, we can get the information from the schools data, everything. Okay. So education department, health department, revenue department, their information before RTA Act, they were maintaining according to instructions of central and state government. Central state government, they gave the formats. Those formats only they should follow before RTA Act 2005. Okay. So later, RTA Act later, Right Information Act 2005 later, Right Information Act gave some rules and regulations how to maintain the records. I mean some formats. It has given some formats. The computers formats and the Excel formats, mail formats, documents, memos, logs, reports, so many formats given. So those formats only they have to follow, which are given by RTA Act 2005. So RTA Act before 2005, verification everything only done by ministers, MLAs only. Before RTA Act before, we didn't have any right to verify the government department's records information. Only ministers, MLAs, top authority, top executives, only they had the power, they had the right to check the information. Before RTA Act, they only knew the information. The normal people, we didn't know any information before RTA Act 2005. Later, RTA Act later 2005, given power to us, rights to us. So, if you want any information, any department, we can get very easily.